Hello, I hope my voice is clear. So this is a small video which I would like to show you that how uh, mm, means you will find the question and how should you answer. So for this demonstration, I asked permission from one of my student, PhD student, and I'm using his account. Actually, what you can see here, it is I just use his email ID and password to log in. We two formed a team so that we can see you the demonstration and you can understand it without having much difficulty. So here ignore this point, this 50 point or whatever it's showing, because it is an old Microsoft form I'm reusing. First, how should you reach here? Let me show you. First, here the team which I have formed for this is demonstration. So for you, it is either E2002 or E3302 or whatever team means. For my exam, you know which team. Actually, since I'm taking two courses, one is machine 2, another one is advanced control system. I'm making a common video so both can understand. Now this student like this is how the means MS Team portal will appear to you. So I'm going to this demonstration. Well, fine. Now here I can see that, sorry, here is assignment. In assignment section you can see there is two assignment, simultaneously two assignments will appear to you. One is true false type, another one is short answer type. So let me see how true false type assignments will come. Here in the assignment section you will see that two assignments will simultaneously appear to you. One is true false type, another one is short answer type. So let me go to the true false type. Let us click on the view assignment. So please ignore this whatever point it's showing to you. For you, for both the classes, it will be 20 marks. So or means some 18 to 20 or 22, something like this will be much marks will be assigned here. So here let me click. Okay, so here I can see, let me click. So here is some question, say let me write like this one, this true false, this is for the true false. I have to answer here only. As you can see, like this one is showing a step down auto transformer offers maximum efficiency when the true, some justification I need to write here. Fine. Likewise, I need to answer all the questions, and finally let me click submit. Okay, so this part is done. Now let us go back to my original one. So here, so this is done. Now one assignment completed, another one is short answer type. So here this is something appearing to me. So here how should you answer? Like let me select question number 3. So in question number 3, first of all, you must select a plain paper, and at the beginning you must write your name and roll number. This is mandatory, means if you do not write this, I will not consider your answer script. And as there will be a few optional, and the question will appear to you, means sequence of appearing will be different for different students. So it is mandatory that you mention the number that I am going to answer question number 3, so I must write it 3, because for someone else, for one of my friend, it may appear to question 1. So until unless you write 1 or 3, I won't be, means there is no such way out for me to make it sure that you answered this question by yourself. You have at least read the question and you understood the question, and then you tried to answer. While answering, you may have might have discussed it with your friends. You might have googled it, but at least you opened your own question paper and write the question number. Okay, so and similarly for your friend who will having this question at question number 2 should write it. Mind it that as I asked you to take a printout of your form like this one, but later on I considered that it will become a bit hectic for you to take printout. But I even if you do not take printout and do not send me the means the form how it appeared in front of you, still I can get your student view. There is an option in Microsoft Form that it will give me that whether this obituary question appears to say particular Mr. A, whether this obituary question appears to Mr. A with question number 3 or question number 2 or what. So first I will send all these short answer type question to my teaching assistants, and they will figure out whether the question number that is appearing in your form and the number you have mentioned is correct or not. If they find any discrepancy, they will highlight and send it back to me, and then I will check your answer script. So I hope you understand that question number, mentioning correct question number is very important. I don't care whether you write means discuss it with your friends, or you hit Google, or you do means a search book. Like all these 3, I will be means I will consider all these 3 as ethical, as long as you are not blindly copying from your friends. Like all the words that are present are exactly similar, 2 answers are exactly identical, I will give you marks. But if I find that 2 answers are exactly identical, like in the second means in E2002, I have returned a few means script after checking. So I found 2 persons answer script for one question, their answer were exactly same. So this type of case I will I'll take strict disciplinary actions and report it to the exam center. So please don't compel me to go to that extent. There is no point of reaching to that point of no return. Let us means how to make you understand, but means that will be my last refuge to stop you from this malpractice and ensure fair conduction of the exam. But I don't want to go to that extent. I request once again, it is my earnest request that don't do all this kind of means don't commit this kind of nuisance during examination. Don't like blindly. So let me make it very clear what are the things I don't want from your end. One is uh, two or more identical answers. Second point is that identical to any online material, means it is exactly similar in appearance, in sentence formation, in word selection, in every way. It clearly indicates that you just blindly copied your answer from a internet web page. Other than these two, you are free to do discussion among your friends, free to consult or free to hit Google, free to figure out answer from internet, free to open YouTube videos, whatever you want, you are free to do that. Only these two things I am not okay with, and I hope things are clear to you. Now, no need to write for this short answer question, short answer type question. No need to write your answer here. You need to write your answer on your copy and then just take a legible snap. How to take and how to send, I will show you. So, you after that, you just submit. Okay. Well, then the last part, remaining part, that I need to take a legible scan of this one, legible copy. So for that, I will use this clear scanner. Clear scanner. Now, let me take this clear scanner. Using this clear scanner, you will take your okay. So those adjustment you have to do. Then just click on OK. Well, now this is ready. Okay, so you just need to save it and this document 10, right? Now here one thing I would like to show, that as this scanner here I am having only one page, that is it is showing one. However, if I want more, then I need to take some more number of uh, like I'm taking arbitrary snaps. So you can get it. Suppose your answer is total 3-page answer. Now these are the 3 pages you can see here. Now I have to save this document 10 in my storage. So let me save it. Save to storage option is there. So it is asking where to save. So I can select any folder. Okay. Yeah. So now save to storage. Well, now what should I do? After saving, I need to go to that one, that my Microsoft Teams. Here it is. Sorry, just a minute. Just a minute. Yes, now here this is the one where I should submit. This is short answer type for which this one is pending. So now I should go to my add work, then upload from this device, then the file manager, download. Yes, this is document 10. Click on OK. Now we are done, right? Now what should you do? You should do hand in. There is some problem with my phone. Yes, now hand. So all are completed. Now we go back and check whether, see, nothing to left to hand in. So all the things you have submitted, you are done, right? Now one thing that you can use any scanner, but do not use CAM scanner, because CAM scanner is when a CAM scanner has been banned, and I'm not sure what is the present status. So it is better to avoid any kind of controversy and do not use CAM scanner. Otherwise, I cannot consider your answer script, right?